Okay, welcome to the course about the Apache JMeter. In this video, talk about the other listener. In this case, is the listener view result table. Okay. In the last video, they checked the listener view result tree. Okay. Well, for this action, they added the new listener the view result table. Okay. Add option selected listener and view result table. Okay, okay, only that for at the moment and execute. Okay, this done. Well, for this example, is the change the values in the tree group. For example, the 20 in 15. Okay. Well, now again execute the this test case or test plan. Okay. Well, in the view result tree is the check the information in mode 3. In table is the mode table. Okay. For this first column, the sample is the sample number, start times, thread name, label, sample time, status, bytes, and byte latency connect. All the column for view result table. Okay. What is the column? For example, in sample is the sample number request index. In start time, in time when the request started. Okay. And thread name is the name of the thread that executes the request. In label, name the of the sample. For example, login, get product, etc. In sample time, in this column, is the show the time taken they completed the request. Okay. In status is the show, for example, successful or failed. No. In bytes, in this column is the number of bytes received from the server. In send byte is in this column the number of bytes sent. In latency option column is the time until the first response was received. In the connect time, time taken to establish the connection. Okay? This is all the column for view result table. Other feature for this view result table is the export the all data in CSV file. For example, go to the file number or file name, the browse is selected this CSV file, view result table in this case. Okay, only that, the clear. Again, the execution. Okay, this is file view result table. After they finish the execution, I will open this CSV and should be the load data the view result table. Okay. One moment, please. What is a view result table? Well, in JMeter, a view result table is a listener that allows you to see the result of each request sample in tabular format. Okay? Okay. Is the finish this execution. Now is the open this file. Okay? Double click and open here. Yeah, this is the shown the data. okay, for view result table. Okay, well, in summary, for example, again, the view result table is a listener that allows you to see the result of each request sample in a tabular format. What those view result tables show? This listener presents summary table where each row represents the result of the request execution during the test. The typical column include sample, start time, truth name, label, sample time, status, byte, send byte, latency, connect. Okay? Well, when should you use it, the view result table? To monitor individuals' requests result quickly and clearly. Ideal if you want to see a specific result and compare response time between requests. Useful when you don't need graph, but want a more technical view that view result tree. Okay? Performance tips. Although is useful for small of development tests, is not recommended for large scale load tests with hundreds or thousands of threads, for example, because it can consume a lot of memory and slow down the text execution. In summary, what is the view result tree? A table-based listener in JMeter. Show key data for each request. Great for debugging and detailed analyzing. Not suitably for high volume performance tests.